Okay, I'm giving you one question, try to solve it. MF, MCl, MBr, MI. Let's say MF, MCl, MBr, MBI. ठीक है? Okay. So this is your A, B, C and D. ठीक? So the thing is that, look, the question is arrange them in the decreasing order of covalent character. Okay? कोवैलेंट कैरेक्टर. ठीक है? ठीक. बट डू यू नो हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू अरेंज देम अकॉर्डिंग टू कोवैलेंट कैरेक्टर? नहीं. ओके. सो लास्ट क्लास आई थॉट अबाउट आयनिक कैरेक्टर. ठीक. तो फॉर आयनिक कैरेक्टर, see the thing is that to find the ionic character there was a formula, that is 16 delta plus 3.5 delta square. all right. The thing is that this delta is nothing but electronegativity difference. This delta is electronegativity difference. Now, do you know what electronegativity means? Okay. So, the property of electronegativity or the being electronegative, ठीक, electronegative. Okay. This simply means to attract the shared pair of electrons. When any element or an atom is bonded, ठीक है, bonded with other atom or the element, and when such atom or the element attracts the whole shared pair of electron towards itself, then that property is known as electronegativity. ठीक. अच्छा, the thing is that fluorine is something which is the most electronegative element in the periodic table. मैंने ये पहले बताया था, I guess so, in the first or the second class, that fluorine is the most electronegative element in the periodic table, or at that time only I guess I told you to study the periodic table, right? So fluorine is the most electronegative element in the periodic table. तो सबसे ज्यादा कोवैलेंट कैरेक्टर किस कंपाउंड में हो सकता है? The molecule or the compound containing फ्लोरीन. समझ में आ रहा है? नहीं. हाँ या नहीं? हाँ. तो जिस भी कंपाउंड में, इन विच एवर कंपाउंड यू विल फाइंड फ्लोरीन, ओके, देन दैट कंपाउंड विल मोस्ट प्रोबेबली बी द मोस्ट कोवैलेंट. अच्छा, देन व्हाट इज आयनिक कैरेक्टर? टॉकिंग अबाउट द कोवैलेंट कैरेक्टर, दिस इज जस्ट द अपोजिट ऑफ covalent character. If you arrange them in the covalent character or in the ionic character, okay, if this is the ionic character, right, if this is the order of ionic character, then what will be the order of covalent? I said just opposite. Like let's say the order, ठीक है, order, like if we go for, let's say this MF, MCl, MBr and M. ठीक है. So if this is the order for covalent, right, then what will be ionic? What will be ionic? Ionic will be opposite of covalent. Then what will come first? Mi. Then greater than MF. Now this is the this is the order, right? So the thing is, the concept of electronegativity, okay, the concept of electronegativity through the periodic table from left to right, ठीक, from left to right, what happens? Electronegativity increases. From left to right, electronegativity increases, and from top to bottom, electronegativity decreases. From top to bottom, electronegativity क्या होगा? Decrease करेगा. So this metal is same. N means metal. M here equals to metal, and this M is same. This can be any metal. If you say, let's say M is equals to sodium, right? ठीक है, M को सोडियम assume कर लिया, then what will be this? NaI, all right? NaBr, NaCl and Na. ठीक, अच्छा, this is one thing. The another thing is, look, the metal is same. Metal is same. That means from left to right, electronegativity will increase. But metal is same. That means the electronegativity of metal is same, is not changing. Are you getting it? So since the electronegativity of the metal is same, now what we have to see कि किसका change हो रहा है? Yes, since the first atom is same, that means we have to look for the surrounding atoms. If their electronegativity is changing, whether they are changing from left to right or they are changing from top to bottom, accordingly we can find whether they are arranging themselves in the covalent order or in the ionic, or which compound or the molecule has the most covalent character or the most ionic character. अच्छा, तो since this is same, metal is same, that means we don't have to look for this from left to right, because when we see from top to bottom, when we come to top to bottom, so what happens? Group number 17, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. This is group number 17. This is group number 17. They are known as halogens. ठीक है, ठीक है, they are known as halogens. So green, they are known as halogens. तो फर्स्ट थिंग इज कि लेफ्ट टू राइट में इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी इंक्रीज होता है. सो सिंस द मेटल इज सेम, वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू कंसीडर दिस कंडीशन. सो द होल कंडीशन रिलाइज ऑन दिस पार्ट. फ्रॉम टॉप टू bottom, electronegativity decreases. Since this concept applies here from fluorine to chlorine to bromine to iodine, and this goes from top to bottom, that means electronegativity is decreasing from top to bottom. All right, since electronegativity is decreasing from top to bottom, that means this will consist the most electronegative character, then this, and then this. So what did I say in the first part? What I said the element or the atom which is most electronegative will have the most covalent character. ठीक है, तो since fluorine is the most electronegative, this is going to be the first. Why? Because it will contain the most covalent character. देखो अभी तुम्हें ये पता नहीं है, the question was given to find the covalent character but on the basis of ionic character. Once you have found the ionic character, then just reverse the order. If this is your ionic character, let's say you found it because you studied earlier, then just reverse the order. When you reverse the order, you will get the covalent characters. समझ में आता है? For that this formula needs to be applied. ठीक, and to apply this formula you must know the electronegativity difference or the electronegative values of those elements. Like for fluorine it is, no, it's not 3, it's 4.0. For chlorine it is 3.0 something, and then for bromine it decreases and decreases. From top to bottom it will decrease. That simply means the covalent character will be more here, then less than MF MCl, less than MCl MBr, less than MBr MI.